So I'm working on putting a point on my new Poleaxe top spike. So this is the last one that I made. There's the hammer, and then this is the top spike that basically locks everything into place. So I made the hammer. This one's going to be a little bit shorter because I'm going for a little bit lighter this time, so it can be a little bit longer. So top spike. So the good thing about this project is I've been able to basically just hammer everything almost to the perfect size, so that there's going to be like very little like grinding or filing down. Basically, all I got to do is put a shine on this at the end. So I've made this about 6 inches, and now I'm just bringing this up here to a finer point. So there's a lot of like finesse work now. Just, it's not heavy hammering because it's gotten a lot thinner over here. So I'm just trying to bring this to a point over there. And this is basically what's going to straddle the hammer and lock it into place. That's as pointy as I'm gonna make it now, because once I put this on the hammer, to set it, I might need to hammer it down. So there's no point in putting like pointy point here at this point, because there might be some hammering that I might need to do in order to set this. So to give you guys a better look now that I'm not hammering. So it's got a strong diamond cross section. So it started off about 6 inches, and then when I hammered the point to this, I basically added another inch to this by drawing it out. So it's like a 7-inch top spike. And then the hammer here, like it's actually like wasted in a little bit over here for weight reduction. So I'm gonna give this a little bit more of a point over here to get this thing ready. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna draw this out. I'll probably, basically add another inch almost to this to bring this to a fine point. basically I want to do the same thing. I want to bring it to a point like this. It'll be a little bit shorter because, like I said, I think this one's like 11 inches by almost 8 inches. So I want to cut down the weight at the far end a little bit. And what I'm also going to do is instead of the spike going through the head like it's doing on this one, it's going to go around the head. And what I'll do is I'll save a little bit of weight on the shaft because this shaft needed to get wider in order to lock this in place. So that one will go around it and it'll lock it in place that way. Piece has gotten a lot thinner now, so it doesn't take as long to heat it up. Probably going to leave this like this for now. This is going to be straight. It's not going to have the curve that this one has. I'm looking at a different historical design that's straight. I'm basing it on that.